In this video, we are going to discuss about total revenue. First of all, what is revenue? Revenue is the total amount of income generated by sales of goods or services related to the company's primary operations. Or in other words, revenue is the amount of money which the firm receives by the sales of its output in the market. And total revenue is nothing but total amount of money that the firm receives from the sale of its products. Or in other words, total revenue is the company's total income for a month or a quarter or a year before subtracting expenses. The formula for calculating total revenue is also simple, that is, price into the quantity sold. Let's imagine that there is a company that sells cell phones. The total revenue in this case is price of one cell phone into the number of cell phones sold in the market. That's it.